What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO interest rates. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung interest rates kapag nag-save tayo sa BDO, kapag nag-open tayo ng savings account, kapag nag-open tayo ng time deposit account. So when you say time deposit account guys, i-hold yung pera nyo for a certain period of time. So magkano nga ba yung tutubuin yun? Mas malaki kasi yung tinutubo ng time deposit account kaysa sa regular savings account. At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin guys yung interest rates ng personal loan, ng home loan ni BDO Unibank. Yung mga ino-offer nilang product, mapa-savings man yan, mapa-time deposit, mapa-loans man yan. Pag-uusapan natin lahat yung interest rates ng mga yon. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, as you can see, BDO's interest rates vary significantly by product. So tulad na sabi ko, by product siya kasi may savings account sila, may personal loan, at saka may time deposit accounts. Savings accounts offer a gross interest rate of 0.625% per annum. 0.625% per annum. So when we say annum guys, per year yung asapan dito. Hindi siya monthly ha. Kasi annum, every year ito. So ngayon, itong 0.625%, kailangan yung i-divide into 12. So, yun yung tutubuin ng savings account na yon within a month. Kasi 0.625% divided by 12. So, kasi nakalagay is per annum. So, para makuha nyo yung monthly, kailangan yung i-divide yung 0.0625%. For loans, rates depend on the type of term. Pag sinabing term, kung gaano nyo siya katagal babayaran, at saka kung magkano yung niloan ninyo. For example, a personal loan has an effective annual rate of around 26.27% to 26.76% for terms of 6 to 18 months. So as you can see guys, mas mataas yung interest rates ng personal loan compared to savings account. Of course, kasi syempre negosyo yan, so nagtatrabaho yung mga empleyado ni BDO, sila yung mag-aasikaso ng mga request, ganyan-ganyan. So, syempre, kailangan mas mataas yung personal loan rates. Kasi, paano sila kukuha ng pampasahod sa empleyado nila, of course. In contrast, time deposits have higher rates, starting at 0.125% per annum. So, per annum ulit to guys ha. Ganun din yung sa loans. 26.27% to 26.76 for terms. So, annual rate, sabi dito, di ba? Effective annual rate. So, annual din siya, per annum din. Iba lang yung pagkasabi annual. So, sa time deposit, guys, higher rates starting at 0.125%. So, mababa pa rin siya compared to rates ng personal loans or loans ni BDO Unibank na ino-offer. Time deposits have higher rates starting at 0.125% per annum for smaller deposits. So, ibig sabihin sa mga mababang deposits lang yon. So, pag sinabing time deposit guys ha, i-hold yung pera na yon for a certain period of time like 3 months, 6 months, something ganyan. And can go up to 0.250% for longer term. So, pag sinabing longer term, mas matagal. Dito nakalagay is 180 to 360 days depending on the deposit amount. So ito guys yung breakdowns. Savings accounts, ATM savings, 0.0625%. Gross interest per annum. A minimum balance of 5,000 pesos is required to earn interest. So ito guys, kapag may ATM savings account kayo sa BDO, hindi siya agad-agad nag-earn ng interest ha. Kailangan yung balance ng ATM savings account na yun is hindi bababa sa 5,000 pesos. Para naman sa regular savings, 0.625% din yung interest niya per annum. A minimum balance of 1,000 pesos is required to earn interest. So as you can see guys, compared to ATM savings, itong regular savings, si ATM savings is 5,000 pesos yung required para mag-earn siya ng interest. While si regular savings naman is 1,000 pesos lang. So ngayon guys, let's move on to time deposit accounts ni BDO. Peso time deposit. Interest rates vary based on the deposit amount and term. So tulad na sabi ko, depende siya kung magkano yung naka-hold na amount doon at saka kung gaano nyo siya katagal i-save doon yung pera ninyo. For amounts 100,000 to below 500,000, 0.125% yung tutubuin niya for 30 to 90 days. So, ibig sabihin, 1 to 3 months siya. 90 days is equivalent to 3 months. And 0.250% for 180 to 360 days. So, ibig sabihin, up to 1 year. So, for amounts naman, guys, 500,000 to below 1 million pesos, 0.125% for 30 to 90 days. And 0.250% for 180 days to 360 days. So as you can see guys, habang mas matagal nyo siya isi-save doon yung pera ninyo, mas malaki din yung interest. Umaabot siya ng 0.250% per annum. So ito guys, let's move on to loans. Ito na yung loans guys na medyo mataas talaga yung interest rate kapag kayo yung nangutang sa kanila. Personal loan effective annual interest rates ranging from approximately 26.27% to 26.76% depending on the loan term. So, pag sinabing loan term, guys, gaano siya katagal babayaran? Like 3 months, 6 months, 18 months, 24 months, 36 months. Nais ko lang malaman ninyo, guys, na hanggang 36 months lang ino-offer ni BDO. Sa ngayon, malay mo naman magbago siya in the future, baka umabot ng 5 years. Pero sa ngayon is 3 years lang yung pinakamatagal na loan term kapag nag-loan kayo sa BDO. Kahit sa credit card man yan or sa personal loan. BDO installment card. So kapag may credit card kayo guys, which is yung BDO installment card, as low as 0.48% monthly add-on rate for a certain promotion. So pag sinabing promotions, ino-offer nila to guys. Hindi ito siya yung kayo yung magde-decide. Kasi hindi siya regular interest, promotional offer ito ni BDO. Kasi yung regular interest rate talaga ng BDO credit card, converting your credit limit into cash is 1%. Ngayon, pag nag-promo sila, pumapalo minsan sa 0.48. Actually, minsan pumapalo pa sa 0.39. At minsan, kung matagal na talaga kayo may credit card sa BDO, 0% siya guys. For 3 months lang. Yun nga lang, 3 months lang siya. Yung pinakamatagal kapag 0% siya. Ngayon, kung may tubo, umaabot ng 3 years tulad ng sabi ko. Salary loan is 0.50% monthly add-on rate. So, kapag nag-salary loan kayo sa BDO Unibank, 0.50% yung monthly add-on rate. Kabayan personal loan, secured. So, nakalagay guys is secured. Ibig sabihin, may kinolateral kayo. Like, titulo ng lupa, titulo ng bahay, something ganyan. Kasi secured itong personal loan na ito. Annual effective interest rates are around 17.06% to 17.07% depending on the term. So, mas maliit siya ng kunti kumpara sa personal loan, guys. Home loan. During a promotional period, rates may be fixed at 6% per 1 year or 6.5% for 5 years. So, as you can see, habang mas matagal, mas tumaas ng 0.5. Sa 1 year is nasa 6% lang siya. Ganun yung interest rates ng savings account, time deposits, at saka ng personal loans ni BDO Unibank. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!